Hi guys, this is Jackie from the Builderall team. In this lesson, we are going to look at the design resource inside of Builderall. If you go to apps and under design, you're going to scroll down until you get to design resource. You're going to click on that. It's going to open a page like this. And then you will see 6 different blocks. We've got buttons, elements and badges, background site express, gradient background, and color background. Then the ones at the top, these 3 are PNG images, which makes it really awesome because like this one here, if you look at these images in here, it's on a pink background. So they are all PNG images. You would be able to put it on a color background and it would not have a border or its own background shining through. If you look at this bar now here with the red and the white, you can see the pink background shining through. So if you have a black background, the black background will show and not a pink background. I hope that makes sense. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to download these different kinds of images and how to use it inside of Cheetah. So what we're going to do is first I'm going to click on Background Site Express. Now you will see the different kinds of packs that we've got. You can see it tells you there's 45 different packs. We've got this 3, we've got that 3, and you can see they fit nicely together. So when you do create your website, you would be able to use them and it would look absolutely gorgeous. So we can go through it here and you can see there's a variety of different ones right here. And you must remember that you can mix and match with the elements of the other pages too. So for this example, let's just go and grab which one we're going to take. I think we will take maybe something like this one here. So what you need to do is you're going to click on download and it's going to open up a Google Drive where all of this information is sitting. And here you can see here is all the different kinds of files that you can download. So let's just go and look for one. Let's say hairdresser, or where's that other one just now? Let's just click on hairdresser and it's going to show you the images that's available. And what you can do is if you click on this little arrow here at the top, all you need to do is click on that and it will download. You can choose download. There it says download. So if you click on download, it's going to prepare the file for us right here at the right hand corner. And it will make a little blue circle once it's completed. It's still downloading. You can also download all these files instantly if you like. Now you can see it's been downloaded. So I'm going to double click on it to open it up for us. And I'm going to double click again. And here you can see is the files. So there's the first one. And then I'm going to show you the other ones. Just want to move this out of the way. And there's another one. So you can see we're going to use all of them now. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take them out of, just close this hairdresser and I'm going to close that section. And I'm going to take them all out of the zipped file because you need to have it out of the zip file to be able to upload it. And then I've created a website. I just called it Design Resources. And I'm going to edit the home page as if I am going to create it. And I'm going to click Add Panel. So you can see it's added a panel there. Already got a panel there at the top as well. But it doesn't matter. Then we are going to right click on the panel. Let's do again, right click. We're going to go to General or Background Settings. Change the image. And now we can upload the images that we've just downloaded by clicking select. And you can see there's all these different ones that you can upload, and you can do it simultaneously. You can add them all. I'm just going to do the top 3 for now and upload. And while it uploads, I can go back and just grab another one. And now you can see it's adding it nicely. And then you can choose which one you want to have as your banner. So for this example, I am going to make use of that one there. And you can see there it is. So now you can just move it until it has reached its height. So there is a top banner. You don't have to have it that big. You can make it smaller. It depends on what you want to achieve. And then let's do the next block as well. We're going to go and add an image. Click on the right. And then you're going to go to elements. And you're going to look for the image. Grab the image, drop. And then I'm going to delete this box because I do not need that. And I'm going to change the background panel here. So I'm going to right click. And I'm going to go to background settings. And I'm changing this gray to white. And then I'm going to right click on the image. And remember, we've already uploaded it. So we're going to go to general settings. Down to change the image. And we're going to grab the image. And you can see there it is. And now we just need to make it bigger to fit the website needs. And you can see it's already starting to become a nice website. And now you can add the next panel by clicking. Go to panels, add a panel. Scroll down. We're going to right click. Go to background settings. Change image. Now you can choose which one we want to go with. So I'm just going to choose the red for now. You can see we've already got now that section there. And now it's really becoming very pretty. We're starting to get an idea of how to create your site. Now let's go back to our design resource here. Apps, design resource. And we are going to download some more items. Now you can add gradient backgrounds. If you click on the gradient backgrounds, you'll see that you can use a lot of them with the other ones as well. So we know that our site has got that pink in it, pink and red. So this would probably work. This would also work. This will definitely work. So you can mix and match between the different kinds of resources. So let me just go back. And we are going to look for something that is buy now. So let me click at the buttons. And we're going to click, let's look for one first. There's a nice one we can use. And as you can see, there's lots. That one also will work on the site. So all you need to do is click on buy now. And click again on the version, English version. And now it says start now, register, access now. So let's go check which is the one that we wanted. The one that we want is saying buy now. So we've got a buy now one. I'm not going to download all of them. Let's see if we can find it on this image. It looks like it's this one. We're going to right click, download. And like I said, you can download everything if you want to. But this has been updated literally weekly. You will see so many more things being added to it. So I would not go that route to download every single item. So now we're going to go again to your website. Oh, I'm already on my website. Let's go. There we are. And maybe we want to add a buy now button at the top of our page. Or maybe we are having some text there. So if I've got some text, let me just add some text to give you an idea. We can have text. And then because that button is an image, it's not a button as such. So you need to go down to image, go grab the image, right click, general settings, change the image and upload. We've downloaded the file. It's not the same button, but that's okay. Just need to show you how to add them. And there you go. There's your buy button. If we chose the right color, it would have fit now perfectly. And you can see how you would be able to add different kinds of elements to the site. So let me go show you what the other ones look like. Let's go with elements. And you will see we've got these different kinds of arrows. So I'm just going to say, let me just go choose any arrow for now. We're going to click on download. Again, it will open up the Google Drive. We're going to click on arrows. And you're going to go choose the arrow that you need. So let's say we're going to take, let's take that one. I'm going to right click. I'm going to download. And then we're going to go back to our cheetah site. Scroll where we want to add an image. Now because I know it's an image, you can just duplicate this item. You don't have to go there again. So let me just show you. If I click on this and I just click duplicate or clone the element and you right click, then you would be able to go change the image there straight away. You're going to select, choose your arrow, click and add. That is how easy it is to utilize the images. You can stretch it and make it smaller and larger any way you like. And that is how you would use the design resource inside of Builderall. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and we'll see you in another.